Small objects made of fragile materials such as porcelain can be easily broken. To fix them quickly, measure up the two parts to ensure they fit together tightly with no gaps. Superglue works at its best with tight-fitting parts. Add a thin bead of glue to one of the parts, ensuring there's just enough to cover the whole bond area when the bond is made. Do not apply too much glue. Carefully line up the second part and press together for 10 seconds. Do not move the bond during this time, as this will disrupt the curing process. That's it.